This an existing hotel. It's a very popular hotel and also a landmark in Imo State. I am architect Christopher Chuku. I'm the architect of this project, All Seasons Hotel. When the client called us to do something about the hotel was facing a major level of dilapidation. So the goal, or let me say the reason why we are here, was to restructure the hotel, redesign the hotel to have a new face that even if people who already know the hotel come around to visit, they will not know that this was the existing All Seasons Hotel. So we picked the project from the design stage up until now. They had existing plans, but it was not sufficient information for us to redesign the whole thing. So what we did is that we did up to 2 months measured work, because the project happened to be in 2 phases. We have the first wing, the old wing, and the new wing. So the goal there, like I said, was to merge, or maybe I didn't mention before, was to merge the 2 wings together as one unit. So trying as much as possible to design linkways and exteriorly to look as if the hotel is one and not separated. So we took our time up to 2 months to do a proper measured work of the entire hotel. We have a 6 months deadline from when we started. So we started last year December. So we are hoping to finish in 6 months time, especially the Kaka stage. I am Christopher Chuku. Let's say you cut. I was like, anything will answer me,
You just introduce yourself, starting with I am.
Now.